everyone! What is the future of virtual shopping? Today we will talk about this topic. Virtual shopping malls could be a solution to the challenges of retail business. They will be accessible anywhere in the world at any time by the infinite number of customers. Retailers have to prepare to the transition to the virtual malls by doing one simple step: preparing 3D models of goods they want to show first in the virtual malls. Now it's possible to model 100% accurate replica of any product using photos or special applications. Furniture, clothes, shoes, jewelry and toys has to be digitized and be available on any virtual shopping mall. What will a virtual shopping mall look like? Let's take a closer look at Smilodo Mall that is already available in a demo version.
At the moment, the project is in a pre-sale stage, but it has already working demo, and that means we can try to look inside. That itself is already a huge plus. The first thing I will do when I enter, I create my avatar. The feature is already open for demo access. It exists two types of avatars, with or without NFT token. If you are the proud owner of the NFT avatar, you could alter the design of your avatar yourself, and it will be saved. For non-NFT avatars, such an option is not available. Smilodo Mall has two parts, one for the events, meetings and galleries, another for the shops. Now the shopping mall has a classical design, but it could look alternative, futuristic, or have several elements that would make it special, for example a starry night sky instead of ceiling. Different environments provide a different level of submersion for customers and different degree of realism, because the basic of idea of the metaverse is decentralization. The final design will be decided by token holders. The whole virtual shopping mall can be available as an immersive virtual environment to any person through VR glasses or in a web browser. It will resemble a real shopping, with the difference that virtual shopping is a storytelling process that could provide different shopping experience. That means if two avatars enter in the same door, they will see a different propositions according to their previous experience. Seeing products 3D dimensionally has a positive impact on customer engagement, conversion and eventually sales. For instance, studies showed that using 3D models improved conversion rate by 33% and increased time on a page by 21%. Furniture, clothes, shoes and jewelry will be available as volumetric models seen from all angles in different color variations.
Let's take a look at the token sale. Smilodo will be presented by three types of tokens.
The Genesis Avatar NFT token is already live, Mall Space NFT token not yet shadowed, but early bird presale is open, Smilodo Square Meter token not shadowed, but early bird presale is open as well. The price of one NFT Genesis Avatar token is 0.19 ETH, but presale price is 0.09 ETH. And on the exchanges, the price of course will be even higher. Maximum supply of the avatar tokens is 30k by all the malls. In the description, I will leave a link to the page at OpenSea Exchange where already minted avatar NFTs are open for sale. Minimum amount to get into the white mint list and get 30% discount is 10 avatars NFT tokens. The good news that the avatar NFT presale participants will get 5% discount for the lifetime for all items sold in the mall and 10% discount for NFTs Smilodo Mall Space and access to the special styles for avatars, access to private events and other convenience. It's very important to pay attention to the fact that the project integrated with its own Smilodo SaaS system that was created as an international retail shopping platform which will perform all internal operations. So it has its own engine to carry out all the international sales, including basket purchase, payment, delivery and other processes. Smilodo SaaS system is already live for more than a year and has 1,700 stores created. The project mentioned in quite a lot of media, including Digital Journal, Cryptosaurus, and MarketWatch.
Virtual shopping malls are an incredible source of information for retail analysis. After all, it's hardly possible to gather more behavior social data on the customers than through the virtual mall platforms, because all behaviors are recorded. It's also possible to collect data on the customer preferences by analyzing which products attract their views. Let's take a look with you in the features in the Smiloda virtual metaverse in terms of a quality of a graphic. It's quality of a graphics that sets the project apart of others. The project uses an innovative approach to graphic outputting. Let's first look how graphics are rendered in the metaverse in general. Metaverse is using 3D graphical data format. The better the quality of graphic objects is, the more space is needed to store them. Everyone probably faced it at least once alive that is not enough memory on the computer to install the game or install some application. Smiloda has taken this experience into account and keeps the data not in a client computer memory, but in a cloud. What is expensive for the metaverse provider is the server power of calculation. Calculation needed for rendering. Rendering is a process of calculation from 3D assets to the 2D dimensional displays. This process could be on a server side or on a client side. Rendering needs a lot of calculation power, so Smiloda Mall not rendering on the client side. That's why clients could use Smiloda Mall without having powerful devices. For example, if we look at the graphic quality of such a popular metaverse project like Sandbox, you will see that quality is very weak. Smiloda Mall creators paid a lot of attention to the graphical part, because quality of the graphic affects how product would be presented in the store and final user experience of the customers.
At the moment, there are 4 Smiloda shopping malls which are on pre-sale stage. It's India, Switzerland, Germany and international. Each room in the mall is NFT mall space token and will be available for sale or rent. It's existing 3 investment strategies. Buy mall space, you could sub-rent it or use to operate your own shop. Rent mall space, you could operate your own shop. Buy just some square meters, join the cooperation and get dividends when cooperation will sub-rent it. The mall space NFT tokens is already open for pre-sale IDO. Total supply will be 88 tokens per mall. The tokens are created on Ethereum blockchain and has open source code. Under the video I will leave the link where you can go and arrange the private live demo mall tour.
Now project at the pre-sale stage and the metaverse experience shows that it's never cheaper than to buy at the beginning.
The first round of investment will be 400k. The capital utilization will be distributed by 17% infrastructure, 17% marketing, 11% external cost, 55% team. That will include 3D editor development, finishing the mall and creating 3D assets. The roadmap of the project is prescribed. You can find it on the site. In order to don't miss any news, you can subscribe to Twitter and watch the upcoming IDO. I will leave the Twitter link in descriptions. How do you like the project? Please share your impression in the comments.
Love you so much for watching this video. If you think it was useful for you, please press the like. This is now how we show our feelings to the YouTube. Subscribe and I will keep you updated on this topic. See you soon in my next videos.